Artificial intelligence is changing work faster than most people expect. And when people hear that, the first reaction is usually fear. Is AI going to take my job? Will humans still be needed? Is it too late to adapt? So let's slow this down and talk about what is actually happening. Here's the truth most headlines miss. AI does not replace people. AI replaces tasks. Every job is made up of tasks. Some tasks are repetitive. Some are predictable. Some require judgment, creativity, communication, and responsibility. AI is very good at the first group. It can sort data, analyze patterns, generate drafts, schedule meetings, and automate routine work, but it struggles with context, ethics, leadership, taste, and real-world accountability. That's why jobs don't disappear overnight. They change. Think about calculators. They didn't eliminate accountants. They changed what accountants focus on. The same thing happened with spreadsheets, email, and the internet. AI is another step in that pattern, just faster. In many careers, AI is becoming a power tool. And power tools don't replace builders. They help builders work faster, smarter, and with less effort. The real divide in the job market won't be humans versus AI. It will be between people who know how to use AI and people who don't. This is why adaptability is now one of the most important career skills. People who learn how to work with AI gain leverage. They can produce more output in less time. They can learn new topics faster. They can test ideas, draft plans, and explore options more efficiently. People who ignore AI don't become useless, but they slowly become less competitive because their tools are outdated. So what should you actually do? First, build AI awareness. Understand what AI can do, and just as importantly, what it cannot do. AI predicts patterns. It does not understand meaning the way humans do. It can sound confident and still be wrong. Second, use AI as an assistant, not a replacement. Use it to brainstorm ideas. Explain complex topics. Create outlines, summarize information, but always stay in control of the final decision. If AI produces something you don't understand, pause. Ask questions. Verify. Learning matters more than speed. Third, invest in skills that AI struggles with. Communication, critical thinking, creativity, leadership, empathy, judgment. These skills become more valuable, not less, in an AI-powered world. Now, let's talk about education and early careers. The best use of AI for students is not, do my assignment for me. The best use is, help me understand. You can ask AI to explain concepts in simpler language. You can ask for examples. You can ask it to quiz you. You can ask it to help you plan your study schedule. Here's a simple rule. If AI helps you explain something in your own words afterward, you're learning. If you can't explain it, you're borrowing. That distinction matters. Now, a quick awareness check, because this part is important. AI can be used to generate fake images, fake audio, and convincing messages. If something tells you to act urgently, slow down. If a voice message sounds real but feels off, verify it through another method. If a link asks for passwords or codes, don't do it. And never treat AI tools like a private diary. Be thoughtful about what you share. So here's the mindset shift. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify you, if you choose to understand it. Careers are no longer linear. They evolve. The people who succeed are not the ones who resist change, but the ones who learn how to use new tools responsibly. AI is just a tool, a powerful one. And tools work best in skilled hands. So now I want to hear from you. How do you feel about AI and your career? Excited? Worried? Curious? Or somewhere in between? Leave one word in the comments.